Welcome back, everyone. Happy Friday. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. So glad to see that you're here. What do you think? Changed it up a little bit. So I am still working on the Habitat Cardigan. The holiday season is about to start. Everyone's going to need to get this finished. So today, let's start seaming it. All right, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this very well. Try. Sun's in and out. So I have this side already seamed. And this stitch is pretty easy to seam up. That's what it looks like on the inside. And the pattern states based on whatever size, how far in you have to go. I marked it here and started from the end until I got to there. So let's seam up the other side. All right, so the pattern states to lay it flat like this, measure. I found it was easier if I kind of brought them together and met in the middle of sorts. And of course this thing's long and heavy. There we go. And line it up this way. And just marked it and made sure when I go to seam that each of them match up from side to side. Now I have a contrasting yarn here I'm using just to show you how I got mine done. The pattern also has some great on the website that I got the pattern from, there's a little diagram on how you zigzag. But if you line these up, you can be able to tell that you want this under and want the other side under, and they'll match right up perfectly and you won't see it. And you don't want this to be really stretchy here on your cardigan. And of course you're going to see mine and how it zigzags. Like I said, the pattern has a nice little diagram on where the threads go through to get a nice seam. That lines up. And like I said, this does not stretch, so it's really good and firm. You just have to take care that you're lining everything up properly. And I'm so glad there's not too big of seams here. So what I was aiming for was just turning under that one part of the top part of the stitch and also the beginning chain of the total rectangle. Whew, sorry. Didn't get too involved in it. Like I said, the pattern does have some decent instructions on seaming that seam up. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you've been knitting or crocheting for any period of time, you've probably seamed a piece or two in your past. So, yes, I'm all dolled up. I have to skedaddle. Like I said, the holidays are coming. Normally a stressful time for most people. I'm trying to not be so stressed, but this is just one of those days that there's so much that needs to be done. Like my Jeep needed inspected, needed dog food. There's just a lot going on. Oh, and the stove came and now it works. So that's a plus. All right, everyone, have a great, happy, creative weekend. And as always, please like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.